Good morning, everyone. This is Standard 6 Science. This is video number 3. We are discussing chapter 11, that is light, shadow, and reflection. Okay, in the previous chapter, we have read about the transparent, translucent, opaque object, luminous, and non luminous with their examples. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about the beam and rays and beams. Okay, so first of all, we are discussing here about the propagation of light. It's rectilinear. Rectilinear motion of light can represent by a beam or rays, dear. Okay, what is ray now? Okay, ray are the represented in the diagram by an arrow. Here you can see the arrow. This arrow shows the ray. And what is ray actually? Ray is a line with an arrow. Okay, and the arrow shows the direction in which the light is traveling. Okay, you can see here the light is traveling in this way, so the arrow is given in this way. If the light will travel in the opposite direction, the arrow will show like that. Okay, now next one is beam. Okay, now next one is beam. This is the beam here. What do you mean by beam? Beam is a collection of rays. Here you can see a single ray, but here a collection of rays are there. Okay, and this is the collection of rays, and this is called the beam of light. Okay, these rays may or may not be parallel. They may be parallel or they may not be parallel. They can move in this direction, they can move in this direction, they can move in any direction they can move. Okay, if there is a point of source of light, then the ray is spread out, that is called diverge. Okay, that is called diverged here. Now we are going to see about the reflection of light. Reflection of light. Here this is the reflection of light. Okay, here we will see the reflection of light. Okay, what do you mean by reflection of light? Reflection of light: when a light falls on a highly polished surface like a mirror. Okay, like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is known as reflection of light. Okay, there is a law of two laws of reflection of light here. Okay, what are the laws of reflection? First law, you can say this is a plane mirror and the light is coming and it reflected back. Okay, on this we will see. First law, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Means the light ray falls, that is called incident ray. Okay, that is called incident ray, and this angle, the angle which is made by incident ray, with the normal, that angle is called incident, angle of incident. When it falls on a plane mirror, it reflected back. Okay, and one more angle is formed. This angle is equal to angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is the angle which is made when the reflected ray and the normal. Okay, this angle is called angle of reflection, and it is same angle. The angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Means this is equal to this one. Okay, means angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Now the another law it is given that the incident ray, this is the incident ray here. Okay, it is falling here. The normal, okay, this is the normal here. Okay, straight line, it is falling on a plane mirror at the point of incident here. At the point, this is the point of incident. Okay, all lies in the same plane. Means in one plane only the incident ray is falling. Okay, normal is there. Okay, this point is point of incident. So this law is called the law of reflection of light. Okay, now we will see the linear propagation of light. Okay, now in the linear propagation of light we will see holes. We have taken equipment. This is the cardboard where we have we have taken 3 cardboards and put a hole on a same distance. Okay, put a hole on a same height and the same distance. Okay, then what is going on in the next? Okay, we will put a source of light. We will put a source of light. Where is the source of light? This is the source of light, and we will see through the holes. It should be straight. Then we will able to see the light. Means when the light will travel straight, then we will able to see the light. Then okay, when the light will travel, if the light will go this side, move like that only, then we are not able to see the light. Okay, so when we shine, when we light a candle, okay, in a dark room at night, we see the beam of light produced by the candle, which travels straight in the darkness. And what is the rectilinear propagation of light? The property of light by which it travels in the straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Here we have given the example of this. So thank you very much.